Jean-Pierre Bemba looked like one of the winners in the last war in Congo, gaining a vice presidency as part of a 2003 peace deal with the government in Kinshasa. But he lost the elections that followed and was charged with treason when his militia fought with government troops in the capital. Now he's in The Hague, facing 3 counts of war crimes and 2 counts of crimes against humanity for abuses allegedly carried out 6 years ago by rebels from his movement for the liberation of Congo across the border in the Central African Republic. Sonia Robla is the International Criminal Court's press officer.
The judges found reasonable grounds to believe that he was the leader and the commander-in-chief of the MLC, a group which committed crimes or systematic attacks against the population of the country, during which rape, torture, pillage and outrages of dignity were committed.
Bemba ran his rebellion from the city of Badalit. It's known as Versailles in the jungle for the series of palaces built by Mobutu Sese Seko during more than 30 years in power. An extravagance of spending that included Chinese craftsmen to hand detail an emperor's compound at a time when the people of what was then Zaire were among the world's poorest. During an interview in Badalit 9 years ago, Bemba's rebels were already in the Central African Republic's capital of Bangui, where civilians were beginning to complain about human rights abuses. Bemba blamed the attacks against civilians on the Congolese army of then-President Laurent Kabila.
We are not there to kill them. We are protecting them, really protecting them. All this move you see of refugee in Congo, Brazzaville and Bangui came from this attack of Kabila to show you that they doesn't believe in Kabila. They don't like Kabila. That's why they run away. But I think that you may start and see the move of people coming back also, because they know the MLC soldiers are there, and they know the MLC soldiers. Our code is very strict.
Bemba's lawyers in The Hague say his rebels were not under his control when they helped put down a 2002 coup attempt in the Central African Republic. Prosecutors say Bemba organized systematic rape and murder to terrorize civilians so they would not support those fighting to overthrow the government in Bangui. Scott Stearns, VOA News, Dakar.